Maintenance tips to keep your computer functioning optimally. How do you maintain yourself as a human? Your answers to these questions probably include proper hygiene, regular exercising, a balanced diet, and rest. But what happens if you miss out on any of these? Your body starts functioning below par, and if you allow things to get out of hand, you may land on a hospital bed. Interestingly, these do's and don'ts are also applicable to your laptop or computer. If not properly maintained, your laptop or computer can go from working to malfunctioning and finally dead. While it is not strange to experience issues, it is best to attend to them immediately. If you allow such problems to linger, a simple problem you could have solved in a day may result in a week-long frustration. It is best to ensure the adequate maintenance of your computer or laptop to avoid this. How do you avoid this? How do you keep your computer in top condition? We have the answers for you. Read on as we discuss the top tips to keep your device functioning optimally. Maintaining your computer software. By now, you are already familiar with the two main components of a computer: the software and the hardware. Interestingly, you do not maintain both in the same way. Here are ways to do proper computer software maintenance. 1. Always be on the lookout for updates from your manufacturers. Whenever you receive one, ensure adequate installation. When you leave updates lying around, you are exposing your computer to the risk of hacks and intrusions. For best results, run a weekly check to ensure that your operating systems are up to date. 2. Check for any unusual data activity by running reports of the network system. You can keep track of the recent file updates by automating the system reports and the backup process. 3. Ensure the IT and office policies are in line with the demands of the current technology. If there is a need to replace or update software, do it promptly. 4. Update your firewall and virus definitions regularly. You can use online backup tools to preserve your data and initiate recovery regularly and safely. Do not leave loopholes for hackers and virus writers to explore. Maintaining your computer hardware. Now to the hardware part of your computer system, check the maintenance tips below. 1. Clean and dust the physical parts of your computer or laptop regularly. These include the keyboard, monitor, speakers, mouse, and the outside of the CPU for desktop computers. Keeping the external part of your computer dust-free ensures that you do not expose the internal components to dirt. 2. Use the correct hardware only. Using outdated equipment will not only reduce your productivity, but also lead to long-term issues. 3. Do not fill up your entire disk space. A full disk affects performance adversely. It also puts your computer at the risk of continuous freezing. If necessary, use cloud or external storage options. 4. Whenever you detect unauthorized or incorrect hardware, disconnect such and run necessary scans to detect or correct errors. 5. Keep your computer or laptop in a safe, clean, and dry area at all times. Finally, with all these measures in place, you can rest assured that your computer or laptop is in its best condition. Plus, you can worry less about downtime or unplanned repair costs. If you need professional help with your computer maintenance or repairs, kindly email or call us. Our team of experts at A Better Tech is delighted to help.